So when you open OBS Studio, I've just opened it, um, and I've just looked, and when I saw this, I said I need you to record this, and I said that I'm gonna tell my viewers, is there many screens open or just few screens open, like one or two? So you guess in the comments below how many windows are open. If somebody gets it correct, you I will just give a shout out. You can see it right for like 5 seconds, and this you can see right now. 5 seconds. Look, the cursor is moving. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You can also count the number of screens. There's so many screens. Just count them, and then just tell me in the comments down below.